Hello, welcome back to Pine City Up here. I'm Paul. Today we had to take the wife over to get some cortisone injections. So we're just going to sit out in the car and wait for that to get done. But I wanted to talk about something real quick. In a previous video, I showed my GoPro 7 getting eaten up by the lawnmower. So, and I'll put it in here. Anyways, I thought it was a goner. I ordered a replacement camera for it. I haven't really had a chance to use that. I had it on one test drive, but like today, it's cloudy and gloomy and probably going to rain. So I didn't take it with us today. I took a look at it and I decided that maybe I can recover that GoPro 7. So let's take a look at it right now. All right, so this is the GoPro 7 after I replaced the lens cover and I bought a new frame to go around it. I had thought about upgrading to the new GoPro 10, which is like what, $400 some odd, and I spent like maybe $40 on this. Now it is damaged still. That cover is missing. You can see some chewing away down there in the bottom. Some of the parts that hold the lens cover on were ground up, so I got it on the best I could, and then I used some electrical tape to seal it. So it's no longer watertight, but it does still work. All right, so here's the camera without the shield, the frame on it, and you can see electrical tape I put on there to hold the lens cover on. But I'm looking forward to being able to use this camera again. I really like this camera, and I'm hoping that images will be good. All right, that's it for today. Real quick little update on the GoPro 7. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up are super cool. YouTube can be super cool if you give us one. Do you know what's super cool? That's right, subscriptions. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If you have, thank you very much. It is greatly appreciated. If you haven't, well, right now is a great time to scroll down, click on that subscribe button, get her done. All right. Well, as always, thank you very much. Have a great day.